Tappy activated. Hey, my bite-sized buddies and future billionaires. Today, we've got something really cool on our agenda. How to store your crypto assets in a self-custodial wallet. I bet you're now wondering about the future of self-custodial wallets. Are they here to stay? They have significantly evolved from their early days. Then, you would have needed serious technical skills to set one up. Plus, you would have had to be very cautious to avoid losing your precious funds. Oh yeah, you know. I'm not antisocial. I'm just not user-friendly. At the same time these days, seed phrases are just one part of a much broader picture. True, people do lose wallets due to misplaced seed phrases. But besides, there's an issue of the lack of straightforward methods of transferring wallet ownership to family members and friends. And it's still a large barrier to the widespread use of such wallets by everyday users. Future self-custodial wallets should ideally rely not only on seed phrases, but also on a combination of biometrics and layers of authentication. It'll definitely make it easier to attract more users and provide them with security around the ownership of their digital funds. Plus, future wallets will likely require KYC procedures for individual wallet addresses to perform transactions. Now, attention! Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that pretty bell to take part in more crypto adventures. Tappy deactivated.